I've been playing soccer since I was 8 years old, training for a decade without knowing where it will lead me. Going down a dark road, but knowing there will be light at the end somewhere. To get to the top of the game requires a lot of hard work, dedication, determination, focus, and discipline. At the peak, you never give up. You can make magic happen, there is harmony, you are in control. You train your body to perform at the top level and how to respond. Be agile to respond with speed and accuracy and to react on certain moments of the game. I'm young and my dreams are big, my ambitions even bigger. There are still plenty of goals to achieve. The journey is hard, but dedication will get me there. These things will make me stronger, aim higher and dream bigger, and I will succeed without a doubt.